When a novel becomes a movie, we see a story transformed. But what if this act of changing a text wasn't just for entertainment, but a powerful form of analysis? This is the core of textual transformation. It's not simple imitation, it's the strategic manipulation of a story's core elements, its form, perspective, or context, to create new meaning, and in doing so, reveal precisely how the original text worked. Think about retelling The Great Gatsby from Daisy's perspective. Suddenly, we're inside her world. We know what she knows, feel what she feels. This single shift in viewpoint doesn't just tell a different story, it forces us to question the original narrator's biases and see the characters in a completely new light. Or imagine updating a Shakespearean tragedy to a modern corporate boardroom. The archaic language is replaced with contemporary dialogue, and royal courts become multinational corporations. While the core themes of ambition and betrayal might remain, the transformation makes us question what is truly universal about human nature and what is simply a product of its specific time and place. This process can even be used as a form of critique. Take a patriotic text that glorifies a historical battle and reimagine it as an anti-war statement. By shifting the perspective to a soldier on the ground, or by juxtaposing the celebratory words with the brutal consequences of conflict, the original text's purpose is completely inverted. The celebration becomes a warning. This is why transformation is more than just a creative exercise. It's analysis through creation. The crucial question isn't just what can I change, but what does changing this element reveal about the original? It's the art of taking something apart to truly understand how it was built.